Sometimes in the past, two actions happened. One action happened before the other. To talk about that earlier action, we use past perfect tense. ऐसा एक्शन जो किसी दूसरे पास्ट एक्शन से पहले हो चुका है, उसके लिए बात करने के लिए हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं. Riya reached the bus stop at 7:10 a.m. But the bus had already left at 7 a.m. बस चली गई, this is past. रिया पहुंची, this is another past. But जो पहले हुआ, that becomes past perfect. So the sentence is, the bus had left before Riya reached. Now, first of all, let's learn how to form past perfect tense. To form past perfect tense, first of all, we use subject, then had, then third form of the verb or V3. This way we form sentences using past perfect tense. हम तीन situations में past perfect tense use करते हैं. First is to show an earlier past action. Second is to show the sequence of two past actions. Third is to show reason and effect. For example, mom was angry because I had lost my notebook. Now let's see the structure of sentences. You know there are three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. So let's start with affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, we use first subject, then had, then V3 or third form of the verb. Let's have a look at some examples. She had finished her homework before dinner. They had played cricket before it rained. I had completed the project before the teacher checked it. We had reached home before the storm started. The baby had slept before the guests arrived. Now let's take negative sentences. In negative sentences, we use subject, then had not, and then third form of the verb or V3. For example, he had not completed the test when the bell rang. She had not eaten anything before the school started. They had not packed their bags before the taxi came. She had not read the chapter before the quiz. I had not learned the poem before the recitation day. Next, we will take interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, we use had first of all, then subject, then third form of the verb or V3. For example, had you seen the movie before? Had the train left before you reached the station? Had she finished her homework before going to play? Had they met each other before the party? Had you studied this topic before the exams? So, the rule is simple. When two actions happened in the past, for the first action, we will use past perfect tense. Now, can you complete these sentences? First is, I reached the party late. Everyone, dash. And the verb is leave. Next is, the teacher was angry because Mohit dash his homework. And the verb is not submit. Third is, had you dash Jaipur before 2020? And the option is ever visit. So that's all for today. If you find the video helpful, then like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel now. Bye bye.